Hey everyone, welcome back to Carreview Hub 2025, the ultimate destination for the most thrilling and detailed reviews of the latest cars hitting in market. Today, we're diving into something truly spectacular, the 2026 Audi R8. Audi has once again raised the bar in the world of supercars, blending heart-pounding performance with everyday usability in a way that very few cars can. This is not just a car, it's a statement, a work of art sculpted in aluminum and carbon fiber, powered by one of the most exhilarating engines in the business. Buckle up, because we're about to take you on a ride through the legacy, design, and technology of the new R8 that will leave you craving for more. At first glance, the 2026 Audi R8 demands your attention. Every inch of its design screams power and precision. The low, wide stance gives it that aggressive supercar posture, while the sharp LED matrix headlights bring a futuristic edge that looks ready to cut through the darkness. Audi's signature single-frame grille has been redesigned, with a more pronounced honeycomb pattern, giving the R8 an even bolder road presence. The aerodynamic lines sweep effortlessly from the front to the rear, guiding air across the body with sculpted perfection. Around the back, the wide taillights, prominent air vents, and large dual exhausts underline the R8's racing DNA. The color options for 2026 are stunning, with Daytona Gray Pearl, Kemora Gray Metallic, and the new Ascari Blue Crystal turning heads everywhere. But the top pick in the US remains the striking Tango Red Metallic, which perfectly matches the car's personality. The 20-inch forged wheels add to the aggressive stance, with intricate designs that balance elegance and speed. Whether it's parked in a showroom or tearing down a coastal highway, the 2026 R8 is the kind of car that makes time stand still for a moment. Step inside and the cabin immediately tells you why Audi is known for luxury and precision craftsmanship. The 2026 Audi R8 interior is a masterclass in minimalist design that puts the driver at the center of everything. The virtual cockpit dominates the view, combining the instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one seamless 12.3-inch display. It's crisp, fast, and incredibly intuitive. The flat-bottom steering wheel comes wrapped in fine Nappa leather with integrated performance controls, so you can switch driving modes or adjust traction settings without ever taking your hands off the wheel. The seats are beautifully contoured, offering both comfort and bolstering for spirited driving. Finished in fine leather with diamond stitching, they make every journey feel like a first-class experience. Despite being a supercar, the R8's cabin remains surprisingly practical, with improved storage compartments and a decent front trunk for essentials. The materials are top-notch, with Alcantara, carbon fiber inlays, and brushed aluminum running through the cabin. Audi's attention to detail here is unmatched. Every click, stitch, and surface feels purpose-built for the enthusiast who demands perfection. But of course, what truly defines the R8 is what lies beneath that sculpted rear glass, its heart and soul. The 2026 Audi R8 continues to honor the legendary naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, a rarity in today's turbocharged world. Producing an astonishing 620 horsepower and 427 pound-feet of torque, this beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, with a top speed of around 205 miles per hour. The power delivery is instant, linear, and gloriously loud, a symphony of engineering perfection that few modern cars can replicate. Paired with a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch S-tronic transmission, the shifts are seamless and blisteringly quick. Audi's quattro all-wheel drive system ensures you have maximum grip in all conditions, allowing you to push the R8's limits with confidence. The suspension setup has been fine-tuned for 2026, providing sharper handling and a smoother ride on daily drives. It's that balance of razor-sharp dynamics and everyday comfort that makes the R8 so special, a true dual-purpose supercar. When it comes to technology and safety, the 2026 R8 doesn't hold back. It features adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring safety even at supercar speeds. The Audi Drive Select system lets you customize your experience, from comfort to dynamic to performance mode, transforming the car's character at the touch of a button. Connectivity is equally impressive, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation powered by Google Earth visuals. The Bang & Olufsen 13-speaker premium sound system floods the cabin with crystal-clear audio. But let's be honest, the best soundtrack here comes from that roaring V10 behind you. Audi has also made subtle advancements in efficiency, improving fuel economy through cylinder deactivation and lightweight materials. While this isn't the car you buy for saving gas, it's refreshing to see performance balanced with responsibility. As for pricing, the 2026 Audi R8 starts around $178,000 for the base R8 V10 Performance RWD, while the top-of-the-line R8 V10 Performance Quattro climbs up to about $220,000 depending on customization. Audi's personalization options are vast, from interior trims and wheel designs to bespoke colors, ensuring each R8 can be tailored to its owner's taste. In a world moving toward electrification, the R8 stands proudly as one of the last great naturally aspirated supercars, a reminder of what pure driving passion feels like. It's elegant yet ferocious, precise yet emotional, and capable of turning even the most mundane drive into an event. So, what's the final verdict? The 2026 Audi R8 isn't just a car. It's an experience. It captures the essence of speed, beauty, and control in a way that connects directly to your soul. Whether you're a longtime Audi fan or simply someone who loves the thrill of the open road, the R8 deserves a spot at the top of your dream list. If you enjoyed this review and want more deep dives into the world's most exciting cars, make sure to like this video, comment your favorite feature of the 2026 Audi R8, and subscribe to Carreview Hub 2025. We've got plenty more reviews, comparisons, and automotive content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion for cars alive.